Hello friends, myself Tanish. I am studying grade 6. Today I am here to give a speech about Hitler. Now most of you know who Hitler is and what he did. And now this is a detailed video of what Hitler did. Now let's dive into the world of Hitler. Now did you know Hitler's real name was actually Adolf Hitler? Hitler was born on April 20 and 1889 in which Hitler began his reign. He was born in a very poor family which cannot afford any school. Hitler has an ambition. He wanted to become an artist and he tried in many art schools, but all of them rejected him for either being too poor or having no creativity. And after some time, Hitler landed in politics. His voice was very inspirational. He gave inspirational speeches and he motivated every person. And basically, Hitler was the most patriotic citizen Germany ever had. And now, next, Hitler was a politician, as I told you. And after that, Hitler tried to rule the whole Germany, but he did not. And after this, Hitler somehow climbed the ranks because of his speeches. And he led the army. And now after that, Hitler was a billionaire. You might know how. Now let's ask him how he made a billionaire. He wanted to go to art school, but he cannot get it. And you know what he did instead? He became an author. Do you know the book Mein Kampf? It is basically a book written by Hitler and which earned him a lot of money. And as I already told you, he was a politician, and in that he gained many donations and all. And after that, now you know how Hitler became a billionaire. And now let's talk about his army. Hitler's army was called as the Nazi. Their logo was a swastika but inverted. Now these people were fully nationalism. They were the most patriotic group. And in this, Hitler was very mad at people who are Jewish. Now Jewish is basically a religion like Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Buddhism and all. Now after that, do you know what happened? Yes, after that Hitler became a police. And after some time, before he became police, he was in the prison for the government officials finding out what he was doing, which was not that big. But when Germany was in World War I, Hitler commanded his army, which I told was the Nazi. He commanded them to help Germany, even though Germany imprisoned him. Now, seeing by his patriotism, the prison let him go. And after that, the Hitler became the best leader in Germany. After some time, he could command anyone and can inspire anyone to join the Nazis. I know. Do you know how the World War II started? Hitler started it. Yes, Hitler started it by invading Poland. Now, in this, Hitler started it because of several reasons, but one reason why it was started was invading Poland. And since we saw how Hitler started it, let's see about his late life. Now, he wanted to start the race named Aryan race, which is basically people who had no flaws. Like, you know how some people are short, some people are tall but thin, short but fat. But these people had no problem. And in that, he experimented with so many men. And in this, when he was a politician, 6 million Jewish people died. Yes, you heard me right, 6 million. And after that, after the government found out that Hitler was doing the Aryan race, which almost turned people into zombies, the government raided Hitler's base. And after that, Hitler found out the government was coming. He wanted to die a honorable death, not by the government officials or Germany itself. So he told its allied forces to kill him. And first the allied forces denied. And then he said, you want me to die by my own mother country? And the people was like, no, it's okay, we'll kill you. And the Hitler was like, okay, do it fast. And he died peacefully on a couch. Now, after he died on the couch, people came and found millions of files burned about the Aryan race. And now, after some time, Hitler was dead, but they did not know, they cannot find Hitler's body. Either it has been burned, either it has been buried and all. And you know when Hitler died? Yeah, he died in 1945. And now after that, they found Hitler's DNA on the couch where he died peacefully. And you know Hitler has a weird mustache? Yes, now this is the end of the video. Thank you.